Hi everyone, so today we'll be making pom-pom ice cream cone like garland. This is what it looks like, sort of. Yeah, I have empty space right here because that's what we're making right now. So see, it just looks like this. So it's a paper cone and pom-pom. Yeah, and there's tape on the back, so yeah. The back is the back and the front is the front. I'm gonna check. I didn't even check. I might have put some of these on backwards. Yeah, that one's on backwards. And that one's on backwards, so yeah. The front is the front and the back's back, but it doesn't really matter a whole lot, but yeah, this is what they look like. So what you're going to need is yarn, which you need to make a small pom-pom, which these are the pom-poms I made using a fork, the size pom-pom, so you can go watch that video on how to do it, and then come back once you've made however many. You need one pom-pom per ice cream cone. Unless you want to like put more on and make like double scoop ice cream cones, go right ahead. You said make a whole bunch of pom-poms. And then you're going to need scissors, tape, or glue. I just use tape because it's what I have with my hair. And you create a piece of yarn that is about this length-ish, sort of. That's what you use to put everything together. And you need like yellow paper or something, whatever you want your cone to be, cut out into one of these little shapes so that you can roll it into a cone. So yeah, that's what you need. Yeah. So once you have your pom-pom made and your little paper cut, you can come on the side for a second, but you can take this and you need to start rolling it. It'd be easier if I used actual paper. I used cardstock because I'm nuts and it's all I could find at the moment. I was too lazy to look for more paper. It'd be easier because it would bend a lot easier, but cardstock works too. It's just useful you know too. That you can use cardstock. You gotta roll it like this. Gotta roll it until it's in a cone shape and it overlaps a little bit at least. And you can keep smushing it and stuff in different ways to make it the right shape. So it looks like that. Then you'll take your piece of yarn you just have, get the two ends up, and tie it in a knot close to the ends. You don't have to cut very much off and use it up and stuff. Like that. Pull it tight, and then any little extras you have, you just cut it off. I have a garbage can right here, so I'm just going to cut it right into the garbage can, so it'll make a mess. And you take this, you lay this into your cone so that the end is sticking out the bottom a little bit. That's the one little thing where it looks weird. If you like glued it, you can just glue it inside. Since we're using tape, I can't really do that. So yeah, if you use glue, it could look better than if you use tape, but I'm fine with this. Then you just tape the seam right here where the two pieces meet, but don't squish it all the way down. Leave it like that. And if you have too much, you can just curl it up and inward like that. Like that, because if you curl that around, you're going to see it from the front. You can just take that little bit of tape, the little cornery bits, and cut them off. Because it'll still hold it together, it just won't like show as much on the front, if at all. And then it looks something like this. You obviously don't want to pull this real hard. 1 second. Sorry about that. But yeah, you don't want to pull on this real hard because it could just pop right out, but it's paper and pom and yarn. It's not like it has to be real heavy duty. Just don't pull on it real hard. And then what you gotta do next, oh, I forgot you need a needle. I probably forgot to tell you that because I'm forgetful. You need to thread this yarn through the needle, which is not always as easy as it looks. Don't want to pull it through too far. And then you want to stick the needle straight through your pom-pom however you want it to sit. I want it to sit like this. I'm going to stick it straight through like this. That. And you just pull it right under that yarn. And then as you're pulling it, you want to make sure it lines up like in the cone like this so it doesn't get lined up weird. And you pull your needle off, and boom, it's done. It's pretty simple. And then you just hook it onto your yarn, however, because I left a space in between these two pink ones for it. So I'm going to line these two up like this so I can find the center point between them, which is, if I line these up right, should be right there. And then I just take that, I stick it through this brown loop, stick this and pull the ice cream cone right through it, and then pull that tight. But not too tight, you gotta make sure, you gotta go back and check and make sure it ended up centered. Like see that one's a little uncentered? So I'll just pull this side a little bit and it should eventually, move itself over a little bit. Oh, too much, too much, too much. You can kind of center it. It's not perfect, it's fine. And then boom, you have ice cream cone garland. Perfect for the summertime. Guess what the background for next video is going to be. Yep. So, if you like yarn crafts, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any ideas. I know it's still summer, so it's still summer crafts. It's not fall for a long time, so yeah. Any summer crafts you want to see, comment down below and subscribe. Bye!